Hey guys, I wanted to share this with you because we had a little bit of difficulty finding information and finding the right tools for the job. I have a Dodge 5500 series truck here. We brought it in, front end's worn out, sold the job, upper lower ball joints, and ball joints were tight coming out, which is typical of the newer Dodges. Got them out, didn't have a good way of getting them back in. We were able to stack adapters sort of and get the one started. It's really hard to get them started, and I'll show you why, and then I'll show you the solution to that. So the ball joint goes into the knuckle at an angle, but if you look at the top, it slopes off at a different angle. So it's hard to get this started in at the correct angle if the cup at the top is sitting at the opposite angle of what you need. Now, I searched all over the internet and couldn't find anything about adapters. So we're kind of struggling. I don't have service information for the 5500 series trucks. So eventually what I did is I went on Snap-on's website and just started looking through their catalog at the ball joint adapters to see if there was something I didn't have. And that's when I found this adapter. This is the BJP1RAM1. Sent a message to my Snap-on guy. He checked his purchase history, and another shop in town had it. He gave him a call. They said, yeah, no problem, you can borrow it. And in this adapter set, the key piece to this, getting them out's not a big deal. Getting them back in is the problem. Well, this little offset adapter fits right into the knuckle like that, and it makes it to where you can press this back in. You still have to use one of the cups out of the master kit that fits on the ball joint. The other big cup that comes in the kit is for removing it. So this actually fits around the outer lip of that ball joint so you can press it out. But we didn't have an issue getting them out. We just had an issue getting them back in. So hopefully, if you're looking for a solution to getting these ball joints back in on the 4500 and 5500 series Dodge trucks, hopefully that helps you.